Praveen, can you see my screen? Okay. Yesterday, I started with a screen programming. We are calling different names. Let me write it. That we are calling dialog program or screen program or module pool program or transaction codes creation. Transaction code creation. This all program names are same. Okay, any name they can call, but procedure is same. Procedure same. Any procedure is same. Okay, we have 4 names. Here, what is meaning of this program is, okay, let me write first transaction code list. What are the codes we can use it? Transaction codes used in screen program or multiple program. So one is SC 38. This is common ABAP editor. SC 51. This is the latest one. We can call screen painter. The painter. Next, SC 91 is for messages. We have written already message, global message class. Okay, global message class. I already explained this T code. The global message class. Then we can use SC93 for T code creation, transaction code creation. Okay, to check all the program, SC80 we can use it. Okay, repository. Okay, so like this we have 5 transaction code we can use for only one small program, one program. Okay, that program we are calling module pool program. First, what exactly the requirement? Let me show. Means okay, this is requirement related to push button. Like example, now I have to create the. Let me check first table. Let me show the table. Requirement I am explaining first. Requirement like for database table, standard database table KNA1 or sales order table. Can you create the entries for the table? Can you create the table entries for that? You cannot create those table entries. Why? Because we have restrictions is there. Means you cannot create the entries. Meaning, what I am trying to say, SC11 is a code. Okay, KNA1 is the transaction code. Sorry, table name. If I click here, display button. So here we have the delivery and maintenance is here. Display maintenance allowed with restrictions. Means if it is allowed with restrictions, okay, system won't allow. Okay, create entries. That you know it already. I have shown you in basic class onwards. Then how you can create entries? We can create either table maintenance generator by using maintenance view, or or we can create like this type of screen program. Okay, that's what I am creating here. Screen programming. I will show it how to create it. Here, I am going to enter the entries. This is create and clear and exit push buttons program. Exit push button. Okay, programs. Okay, this is the main heading. That is my requirement. Okay, means I have to create the push buttons. How many push buttons? Create is one button, clear is one button, exit is one button. Okay, but let me write it here. Screen. Okay, customer, country, name, city, postal code, how many fields you want. Excuse me. This is input. This is input field. This is also input field. This is also input field. This is input field. Now these are the fields from database. Now here I am going to maintain create button, clear button, exit buttons. Okay, exit buttons. These are all push buttons. Now my requirement is here. Okay, create. Okay, clear. Okay, exit. Exit means compulsory we should have exit button. This is the exact requirement. We have to design this screen. Okay, we have to design. Here first you have to know what exactly the screen is. This is we are calling box. This is one box. If you don't want box, you can leave it, no problem. Just box is nothing but just a square. Okay, one square box. These all fields are these all fields are from KNA1 table. These all fields from database table, KNA1 table. This all screen, okay, these all push buttons. These are all three are push buttons. Push buttons. Here, to design this total screen, one screen number we will maintain. That screen number for this one, the screen number is any number 9000. Okay. This information we required to design this one. Meaning, I am going to design the one table with not only these fields. You can create okay, even 50 fields also, but you have to design like according to that. Okay, now I am going to create here, okay, 3 push buttons with same screen. Okay, using these transaction codes. Okay, in this transaction code also, if I click create button, then it should show one message here. That message we can call global message. Okay, global message. I am inserting message also. Just if it is normal plain program, no need to insert the message. Okay, but I am going to insert the message also. Okay, for that, how to use this message here. Then all I am going to include in one small, okay, same program, okay, one same screen program. How to do that, I will explain step by step. Okay, these are all the push button. Just write down clearly. Push buttons. Now, same I can explain in this screen level. Okay, screen level. Right. Go to first. We have to start from SC38 only. This program we are calling module full program. Let's see what is the difference. Go to SC38. Step 1 is SC38 always. Here we are going to create the Z screen 1. Okay, I am going to create the screen number 1. Screen means first program. Okay, first program. Okay, click on create button. Otherwise, you can give here clearly push button. Click on create button. Oh, push button. Okay, create button. Enter your description. Okay, push button program. Okay, this is not executable here. This is not include here. This is module. This is the difference. Okay. This is the difference between this one. That's it. Then status of the program. These are all same. These are all same. Okay, either sales. Enter the type of status application. Click on save. Click on save. Enter your package. Continue. Continue. Here I am not going to write any code here. I am not going to write any code here. Just I will just save it here. That's it. And activate. This program you can activate manually. Then keep it side. Come back. Copy this program. After activate, copy this program. Okay, copy this. Go to SC51. Go to SC51. Why? Now I have to design the screen here. This is we can call screen design. SC51 is nothing but a screen design. Okay, screen design. Go to SC51. Enter the same program name. Whatever program name you had given in SC38, same program name you have to give. Then enter here screen number. Okay, enter here screen number 9000. Okay, enter your screen number. Okay, enter your screen number. Click on the create button. Okay, click on create button. Enter short description. Okay, screen program. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, go to layout here. Just enter short description, then layout. Layout means this layout we are designing. This total we are calling layout. Okay, layout. Go to layout. Okay, then here we have to see here. This is the layout, the design. Here, this is we are calling screen painter. Okay, screen painter. Here we have some small tools are the text field, insert, input field, okay, checkbox, radio button, okay, push buttons, table control, tabs. This is a big program. This program is very big program. Tab strip only. Okay, this is box. These two are same. Tab strip only. This is just wizard. This is just box. Just box. Okay, like this, SAP has given some tools to design them. Now in this one, which one you want to use it? Like example. Now I need some text. Text. This is text field. Text means my program. Just I have to write it. Just select the text, drop it here. Select the text here. Like this, you can drop it. Okay. Left cursor you can put it. You can select it and double click. Then give your own name. Okay. If you double click here, it will show that screen attributes. It will show. Here you have to enter your own text. You can enter. But here this red color means this here it will appear. This is Gangadhar program. Gangadhar program. That's it. Close. Over. Okay, text is over. Okay, text is. If you don't want, just delete it simply. Then delete. Now save this one. Text is ready. Now I need these fields: customer, country, name, city, postal code. Where those fields are there? In KNA1. To select the KNA1 table, we have to go to here, go to secondary window. Okay, here we have option dictionary program fields. Okay, in basic classes I explained data element. Do you remember? And data element we have short name, medium name, long name, heading. Those data elements we can use it here. Okay, that short name, medium name. Let's see. Click on this. Then it is asking table. Which table is ours? Our table is KNA1. Just enter here table KNA1 and click on get from dictionary. Click on get from dictionary. Okay, here these are all the fields. Now here we have to see here. Select the KNA, land 1, name 1, city, postal code. Okay, postal code. How many fields are? 5 fields are selected. You can see here. By default it is selected medium. That only I told you. Medium you can maintain. By default it is medium. If I don't want medium, you can maintain long text or you can maintain header text. It depends upon your usage. Okay. Here we have short to medium, long, okay, header. Okay, this is only data element, text related fields. Next, select here fields like this. Then see here only blue color it is appeared, whatever I selected. Okay, like this, push button, this button. Then click continue. Once if you continue, it will come like this. Wherever you want, you can just drag like this, paste it. I'll show once again. Go to secondary window, dictionary program fields, enter KNA1 table, click on get from dictionary. Okay, once if you enter all the get from dictionary, click the, it will show all the fields. You can select the your required fields, whatever fields you want, a number of fields. Click on continue, paste it here. Paste it here. Now I selected all the fields. Over. Okay, this part is over. This part. Now I need how many push buttons here? 3 push buttons. Okay, 3 push buttons. Just if I want push buttons here we have to check here where is push button. Okay, this. Otherwise, just move the cursor. Automatically it will show that is name is push button. This is push button. Just drag this push button. Select this push button like this. See, if I select here, it will be shown like this. Okay, like the create it will come. So push button. Just sorry. Push button. Drag it like this. Immediately it will show. Is on top. It is showing. Change the push button is there. Any push button if you want, first drag it, then it will show like this. Just double click, no problem. If it is small also, no issue. Double click and maintain your name. Okay, clearly what name you are going to maintain here. Now I need here create. Okay, this is just name only, but here it will appear. So create. Okay, then space you can give. Okay. Okay. For this code, we will give one code. This code only we have to remember. That is, we can call function code, FCT code. Okay, FCT code. FCT code is nothing but a function code. Okay, FCT, CRE. Okay, close, over. Okay, this is over. The same way, select this one, double click on this. Okay. Next, I need another one, CLE, clear, CLE. Okay, clear. FCT code is CLE. Okay, FCT. Just if you want space, you can give some space. Sorry. Some spaces, and then it will increase the space here. Space bar, that's it, not underscore, space. Same, clear also has come. Then one more, okay, one more. Exit button, same procedure. Select, drag, drop, double click, exit, exit, EXI, exit. Okay, just give the name. Okay, that's it. Save it. Now program is over. Screen painter is over. This is only we can call layout to design. Okay, this is we are calling layout design. Okay, layout design. Okay, layout design. Okay, now design is over, but box is not there still. Let me select the box here. Select this one, box, and here you can do this box like this. That's it. Okay, click on. Okay, over. Screen painter total, it is over. Just save here. Okay, save it. Okay, save it. Screen painter is over. So then go to meaning. Okay, let me discuss some more points here. Okay, now what I have done means just as per my requirement, just I designed the screen. Okay, I designed the screen. Then everything I am removing from the screen. This one. I designed all the screen. For this screen, how many push buttons we have? 3 push buttons. These 3 push buttons code, I can write it in here, separate code here. Okay, the separate. These all I designed under SC51. This code I am writing under SC38. Here I will write it code. That code we are calling module pool program. Module pool program. Okay, under that we have the events are there. Event is there. PI event is there. That event we will write it. Here we will, if once if you write the code, okay, each push button will be linked with this code. This code. Okay, we will write for each push button. We will write one code. Then we will design okay this screen and as well. Means here we are connecting the screen and the program by using okay one name called flow logic. Okay, flow logic. Here flow logic is nothing but it is an interface between screen painter, screen program and module pool program. I will repeat once again question, interview question. What is flow logic means? It is an interface between screen painter and module pool program. For that we are going to click here. Design is over. Now I have to click here flow logic. That is where is flow logic here? Here only we have. Let's see. Okay, I designed is there. Here we have the one option is there. The flow logic option. This flow logic option, if you click, then we will write the program. I will show that one next. Is it just clear? Okay, means explanation. Meaning, screen is over. For this screen, we have to write some code, backend code. This is front end. This is front end. This now I am writing ABAP code. Okay, how to write it? That's why I am going to click here flow logic. Okay, to create the flow logic, first to save the screen. I saved the screen. Remember this all names, FCT code names. This is CRE. This is CLE. This is EXI. Okay, three digits. Same names only I used. CRE, CLE, EXI. Three letters. Okay, why means we will write those code only in program. Okay. After save, go to flow logic. Okay, go to flow logic. Okay, then immediately see now it is running. It is moving to flow logic. Still running. Let me stop it. It won't take that much time. Let me check here. Okay, SC51. Same programming. Okay, I am in layout editor. I was in layout editor. See, now up to this point we worked, and then I click the save button, then click on flow logic. See, like this it should come immediately. It should come. Okay, it won't take that much time. Here we have you have to understand here today class only I will start. Okay, last class also I have written event PAI, PPO, POV, POH. Under that POV and POH are default event. The remaining are customized events. We will write the code here. Okay, we will write the code here. To trigger that code, we will use for these sessions, we will use only PI only. Under PI, if you observe now, this is commented. Star means commented line, means it is not in useful now. Now what you have to do, you have to remove the star. Okay, you have to remove the star. Then it is here. It is in okay, blue and black colors. Blue is nothing but a standard code. Black means we will write the code here. Okay, how to write it, I will show it. First, remove the star from module user command. Right. First, we have to remove the star from module user command. Module user command. Double click here. Okay, double click. Okay, click on S. Okay, click on S. Select the main program. Okay, select the main program. Click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Click on yes, save it, save it. Now observe now where I am exactly in SE38 module full program. Here we have to start the code, but here this is the module. Here see on top we have comment lines. Above comment lines you have to declare here which table you are working. Okay, KNA1, that's it. I'm not going to declare any internal table here. For this program we don't need any internal tables because this is just only normal screen only. Okay, normal screen. That's what I don't want any internal table. Directly we can use it. Okay, now here we can use it here. Here we can use it. Okay, K, okay, K statement. How many statement? Okay, how many? Sorry, how many push buttons we have? You can see 3 push buttons: create, change, clear, exit. 3 push buttons we have. This means user will click which push button we don't know. Either you can click either create button, either click either exit button, either clear button. Okay, means for user is having all options. You can click any button. Means if you want to okay like trigger that button name, we have to write a ucom. Ucom means who is going to click here? User command. Ucom is nothing but a user command. Standard field. Okay, standard case I am writing. Why I have written here case? Because case 1 this is. Okay, okay, when 1, when 2, when 3. When 1 means create. Okay, means it creates the record. When 2 means it will clear the record. When 3 means immediately it will come out. Means if you want to write when statement, when syntax, you have to write case compulsory. Case. Under case, now I am going to specify when. Why when? I declared already IN, okay, INS. What is meaning of INS here? Sorry, not INS, CRE, CRE, CRE. What is the meaning of CRE? Okay, this push button name. Okay, this push button name is CRE. This push button name is CLE. This push button name is EXI. Okay, EXI. Okay, this is all. Okay, here CRE. Next. Okay, insert, that is a syntax. Insert KNA1. Over. Syntax is over. First push button is over. That's it. You don't need to write any selecting any nothing. Okay, insert is only syntax. Then immediately it will insert it in the data here. But that value is inserted or not, I don't know. We have to get some message. Okay. To write that message, we can write it. So first I will show the without message, then you will understand. Okay, when SCLE without message I am writing clear KNA1. Okay, when EXI, okay, leave program. Okay, leave program. Okay, then end case. End case. See, my program is over. Only 3 syntaxes. Why? 3 push buttons are there. Okay, if it is when change CHE. Okay, update KNA1. When delete. When DEL. Okay, delete KNA1. Okay, that you have to try. Okay, then when display, only for display purpose, that display also I will show it on code. Then for display only you have to write select query. Okay, select query. Okay, any doubt here? This case I have 3 push buttons. That's what I have declared here. Only 3 when. If I have 6 push buttons, how to declare? 6 whens will come. 6 when. Okay, and that when, after when, immediately that code, what action you are doing? You are inserting, insert. You are clearing, you clear. You are leaving, leaving, like that. Okay. Just save. Okay, click on save. Save. Now program is over. Activate this program. Okay, activate this program. Then we have to activate screen also. Now only program is active, meaning here this program only active now. But this program is connected to screen. The screen also have to activate it. To activate the screen, first you have to go to here display object list. Display object. Click on display object list. Okay, click on. Here we have screens is here, screens. Okay, under screens, you just a double click here. Okay, double click here. See here, immediately your screen is inactive. Okay, your screen is inactive. Activate it. This is like SC80 repository. That is yes, here. That is repository related program. SC80 means this is only. Okay, if you click this object list, that is the meaning of SC80. Okay, directly. Now it is also activate. Okay, now total program we can activate. Right click on this one program, activate it. Okay, activate. Continue. Continue. Now program is ready with the syntax. Everything is ready. Now copy this program name. For this we have to create one transaction code. Go to one more session. Go to one more session. Go to SC93. Transaction code creation. Final step. This is the final step. Go to SC93. Okay, you can enter your own name. ZCRE 11 you can enter. Your own naming convention. Any transaction, new transaction code. Okay, click on create option. Enter your short text. Okay, create. Okay, create push buttons or anything. Here this is program and screen dialog transaction. That in basic class I told you report how to deliver to the user. That is only this. But this is we are calling program and screen. Program is there, screen number is there. Okay, program name is screen number. For that we can use dialog. Okay, dialog. Click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Enter your program name. Whatever program name we created, that program name you have to enter. And which screen number you are using. Okay, 9000 I maintained an SE51. Enter 9000. It will support for HTML page, it will support for Java page, it will support for the Windows page. All GUI support. Okay, all GUI support. Okay, click on save option. Okay, click on save. Enter the package. Click on save. Okay, now it is saved. Okay, click back button. Okay, back button. Then once again back button. This code you can test it now. Copy this one. Code you can test here. Okay, I can test. Okay, sorry, not this one. ZSCR. ZCRE. ZCRE 11. I enter. Testing. Now customized code is ready. I am going to test now. If you enter, yes, here. Is it same program I created? Okay, it is created. Now I am going to test the data also. Okay, so here, let me enter T555 is a customer, country, name, any name, new postal code. Just I will create here. See, if I click create, it won't display any message, but I don't know which is inserted or not also, I don't know. For that, if you create for this push button, if you create one message, then it will pop up the message. This customer is created like that. If you won't create the message, what will happen? Okay, if it is inserted, it will show the message. If it is not inserted, it will show not inserted like that. Let me show first. I will check the database T355. I will go to one more session. SC16N. You know the property of SC16N to check the table entries. KNA1. Okay, enter. Okay, customer number is T. Sorry, what is that customer number? T355. T355. If I execute here, if T355 is existed, here this is the name. Is it correct? Same data Kiran Bangalore so and so. Now it is working, but I did not get any message. Okay, message. If you want to see clear, it is working. Clearing the data. Exit also working. Means your code is perfectly correct. Let's see. I will insert after completion of my code. I will insert here. Okay, insert a transaction. Okay, ZCRE 11. Then for end users, once if you deliver like this, Just end user can just double click and he can use it. Okay, he can use it. This is the property of the transaction codes and module programs, screen program or transaction code creation. Let me show the message also. Okay, message also. Now to create message, where we have to go? Same screen. You can go to the SC51 only. I'm going to change only this program. Okay, this program. Okay, I think it is already open. Okay, here. See. Okay, in this program, okay, here we have code is here. Here after create button only you have to write some code. Okay, first you have to check it is inserted means it should show one message. What is the successful message? If last class I told you, if sy sub rc is equal to 0. Why 0? 0 means is success. Okay, 0 means success. Then if it is 0, then what message you have to get it? Okay, record is created or record is inserted. Okay, see here message we have written last time. Okay, if it is local message you can directly write down. If it is global message you have to declare z message, else message E0001 z message, then end if. Here I did not close with the full stop, that's why it is showing red. Now check this message class is ready or not. I will check it now. How to check? We can go to the SC91 or otherwise you can double click directly. Says record is found, they have written, but I don't want this message. This is somebody written, I think. Let me change here. I'll write it 0. Here record is inserted. Record is created. Okay, I will change it. Record is not created. I will change it like this. Okay, 2 options. Now I will save here. Come back. I'll change the message numbers. Okay, let's see here. This message number is record found user. I don't want this one. Okay, what record this is? I need this one. Record is created. Record is not created. These 2 message classes names codes I can enter. This is 2. This is 3. Now if I double click 3, see record is not created. That only should count. You see, directly it will go to record is not created. If I double click 2, only it will go to the 2 only. See, record is created. Okay. Now this is global message only. That's why I am using global message. If you don't want global message, even write down local message. No issue. Now program is ready. Already written program only. Just I added this code. Just that's it. Okay, I added this code. Save, check, and activate. Now total program is ready once again. Activate here. But here only you can test it here. Here transaction code also it has come. Sometimes it won't appear. Just refresh here. Okay, refresh. Okay, once you put a transaction code, you can execute from this code only. Here double click here, and directly you can execute from this only. Okay, no need to test here. No need to test. Execute. So it is working. Then you can try for the T556. Okay, country so and so. Name, postal code, region, state, telephone number, fax number. Okay, like that you can maintain all this one. See, if I click create, see immediately it will pop up. See, record is created means okay, this is information message clearly displayed. Continue. Once again, if I click create, it will show the error message. Record is not created. Why? Because already entered. Now if I check database, T55 already there. Now I created T556. Let's see. This is which I created now. Yes, now. Like that, you can create n number of entries. Now if I clear it, immediately it will be cleared the screen. Then one more screen you can create, one more field you can create it. Then if I click exit, the screen exit will become. Okay, exit will come. Okay, this type of program you can call screen program with the push buttons. Okay, with the push buttons. In this screen program only, I am giving okay, three more options for you for practice. Okay, you just add it here. Okay. For a display button, one more. For a delete button, after completion of these three, you just try this one. Okay, otherwise you will confuse all 6 push buttons. Okay. This is display option. Okay. This is delete option. This is update option. Update. Okay, like the total six push buttons you can work out. 6 push buttons. 6 push buttons. Okay, all these 6 here only complicated is only display. The remaining all are same. If it is delete, just very simple code you have to write it. Okay, delete KNA1. That's it. If it is update KNA1. That's it. But only for display purpose, only display only you have to write a okay open SQL. That is only last case. That is like a select. Okay, without end we have to write it end select. Both we have to write it here. Select end select. End select compulsory. Why means because here I am not using any internal table. Okay, if you use like this open SQL like this, select must be ended with end select. Now what are the fields you want to write it? All. Okay, whatever star you can use it. From KNA1 into corresponding fields of KNA1 where KUNNR is equal to KNA1 hyphen KNA1. This syntax you have to write it for display option. Why means whenever you click display, system should run okay background code. Okay, means here when dis okay, then this code will run. If it is when delete okay, when delete, then another code when del, then write down okay, delete okay, that's it. If it is when update, when UPD, then update KNA like that. You try your okay, this particular syntax, then you will get some okay idea. Okay. Amit, understood this requirement? All this.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yeah. Means you have to maintain the create option once again. First, only create three only. Create, clear, and exit. You can try first. Once if after completion of this one, then try for display. Otherwise, first you will face some issues with here. Maybe most of the times you will face here only issue. Here. Okay? This screen only you will get it because you will confuse here. Okay, why means after double clicking, most of the student they will see here. It won't go like that. Okay, let me show once again. I will double click here. Okay, then you will understand. I am uncommenting, but you no need to uncomment in your program just for your understanding. Okay, if you double click like here, same screen it will come like this. Yeah, yes, you have to click here. Most of the students they will select it include program. If you select include, separate program will create. Okay, separate program. We are not creating separate program, separate include. We are selecting only main program only. If you do only this correct step, then total program as it is. Okay, you won't face any issues. You won't face it. Only thing is instead of include, you just select the main program, then click continue. That's it. Okay, once if you click continue, we will go to in this screen. We will go to in this screen. In this screen, we have to write first KNA1 table, whatever table you are writing, the tables. Then after here, module is there, end module is there. Okay, there is a syntax. In between module, end module, only we have to write all the code. Okay, all the code. This is okay. Try this example. Okay, try this example today. Okay, Monday class. Okay, I will give extension for this program. So, extension means table control is there. Okay, some like okay, like inner join also that is pending is there. That inner join I will discuss. This table control is very important for if we are looking for the like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus. Okay, this is they will give one some okay type of test or otherwise direct interview also for 3 plus direct interview, but 1 plus people are okay for them they will test it. This program only table control program only they will give interesting. Okay. That scenario also once if I after completion of that scenario I will share you same requirement for like some companies are there in Bangalore, IT company, some okay, like small startup companies only in Whitefield and electronic city. Those companies they had given that requirement. Okay, same requirement my previous student shared to me. That same requirement only I will share to you. Just practice after completion of this program. Okay, then you will get some idea requirement. Okay. Now, okay, today you just practice because if I go for that table control also another minimum 1 hour we required for table control to complete it. Okay, better you are new to this program, that's what I'll stop it today now this one, then try for that program. Okay, this one display button, delete button, update button. Okay, second program you can try with all six. Okay, all six buttons. Okay, all six buttons. Okay, next class I will give okay, different level of program. Okay, like tables, tab strip controls, next screens. Okay, like this. I'll give you. Yeah. Okay, Satish.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. You can practice. Okay. Praveen, you also. For Satish, I will schedule maybe tomorrow. That is remaining set self. Okay, set self.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll stop it now. Okay. I'll stop.
Thanks.
Yeah. Welcome. Praveen, I'm going to.